Out of breath. Hello. Those are trees. That's where we came from. Alright. We're almost there though. We've been hiking for about an hour, a little over an hour. We're pretty slow hikers though. Yes. Begin hikers. So, good start though. We're excited to see the top.
What's that?
False hope.
False hope or false faith? Coin.
It's the easy part.
Mm-hmm.
So the path wraps around there.
Yeah. So either we're stopping pretty much right here, or we're going up to that point up there.
Yeah. We're breathing hard. We're pretty rocky terrain, pretty everything. Pretty great.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we're at the viewpoint.
Oh, nice. 60 feet. We're only up 60 feet.
It's a lot brighter up here. Out of breath. Hiking through Mordor right here. And then I got my Samwise Gamgee over here. Sam.
Relax out here.
Trail mix on the trail.
Okay, stop.
There's a Pokestop?
Yeah.
We got a Pokestop up here.
It's called Kings Mountain.
It's called Kings Mountain. We're almost there. Almost there.
And I see the elk one. Just keep on.
Oh, whoa.
You almost did it again. You almost got it quits.
I almost caught it quits right before.
Pirates.
I can't even see the background. This is our view.
Definitely.
All that for fog. King Mountain Summit.
Oh, there we go. That's the view. We conquered Kings Mountain. Ah.
Happy birthday to me. See the view, but look how fast the fog is moving.
Oh, yeah. There's another trail down there.
Mm-hmm. Or logging.
Or it could be logging, yeah.
Oh, here he goes.